Welcome to another episode of Whiskey Crusaders. We got this cool Aged Charred barrel here, sent to us by Aged Charred. They make all sorts of fun barrel products and smoky things. As awarding us, he's smoking this. You can see there's some wood chips already in there. So we're going to do some cocktails. We got some Sagamore, the Amaro. We're gonna make a Godfather, some Black Manhattan, and this already pre-made slow and low rock and rye. Because why not? So the whole goal is to see how they taste prior and after with this cool smoking barrel, which you put together with these legs, which legs were not great. It took me an hour to put them together because they didn't quite fit, and it involved a drill and some sandpaper, and that part not great. All right, so it opens up with this little fun thing here, which doesn't unfortunately stay open, but you still stick things in it. But it's got these cool lights, which we can turn on and show you the cool lights, because it adds to the smoke show, as they say. So you add this, and you can have a psychedelic effect. So isn't that cool? Put that in there. Check that out. Ooh, smoky. So I'm going to turn it off for a second so I don't have spazzing people out. All right, so there's that. So we got these cool cocktails, and we'll stick them in here. And you can slide 3, and it looks like, it says maybe up to 4 with a smaller glass, but we use these pretty much standard size Jack Daniels glasses, so it'll do. It's a nice Godfather. It's tasty. Black Manhattan. Ooh, look, I already turned it on. Ooh. And then we have this final one here from just the regular old-fashioned. Nice and candy sweet. All right, so the whole goal of this is stick this fun thing, make the flashy light show. I'm going to turn this around so I don't make a mess. I put this in here. And then we're going to put this in here. Turn all the lights on because, we want the psychedelic effect. Stick these glasses in here. They slide in nicely. Give them that part. Yeah, the wood, it's nice and heavy, which is a plus. Don't think the barrel's going anywhere. All right, so then it says you take this little charred thing, stick it up here, and light it on fire, which is cool. I like that plan. So we're going to take the little smoky bits here and light them on fire. So where's the little butane dealie? Now, the question is, there were some instructions, but, they're over here, and it comes with these cool instructions. It says you light it on fire and then, stick it in the hole. Ooh, makes it smoky. Well, so it's definitely nice and smoky. So we'll stick that in there. Ooh, cover that up, which you can also use on a regular glass, which we'll check that out in a minute. So it is getting nice and smoky in there, so that looks cool. In fact, let's just do, what do you think? Just do it like that? Let's try it this way. Now it's smoking. So, well, it smoked a little bit in there, but it doesn't seem to keep smoking. I don't know. I guess. I don't know. We'll try it again. We'll keep on lighting it. Now it's smoking in there. Okay, the whole thing is smoking. Cool. Now, hopefully there we go. Finally, see, operator error. Cool. Now it's definitely smoking his crap in there. And this is why it's fun to review things that you have no idea what you're doing with. Like I said, the Aged Charred showed it to us. There's a little operator error, but like I said, barrel's made nice. The stand was displeasing, to say the least. Like I said, I wish this thing kind of stay open. This is like $230 on the website, which I think is a wee bit much considering. But, I guess for a coolness factor, it looks cool. It's got the psychedelic lights. You got that going for you. I'm sure you give this as a gift, so I do hope they fix these legs first. That would be a good choice. Like, at least the barrel's a good thing. I don't know how long we should let this sit in here for, but it looks calm. The psychedelic lights, I'm pretty sure looks fun, but I'm sure it does nothing except for people going, look, it looks like a spooky Halloween set. So I don't know how long this has to leave them in there for. It says wait a few seconds for it to cocktail and serve. Well, I don't know. It's been way more than a few seconds, so I guess let's see what happens. Ooh, spooky. Well, it's definitely smoky. Holy shit. Well, got the smoke part down. Looks cool. Looks like a fun looks. Wow, that is really smoky. Oh. Looks really cool coming out of the glass, though. Well, okay, it served its purpose for smoking. Wow, that is... Holy crap, that's a lot of smoke. All right, so I'm going to let that hang out in there for a little bit. This one seems the least smoky now. Let's see which one this is. That was the old fashioned. It's a little bit smoky. I think that was the one at the front. Not the other ones are still like literally the smoke is still hanging out in the glass. Yeah, you guys can see that. See, it's still hanging out in there. So that one got way more smoky. So I'm noticed to see what these ones and this one was at the front. That doesn't change. It didn't seem to have changed as much. Okay, still gotta wait for the smoke to dissipate. Don't really want to just drink smoke. And that one's sitting there too. So it actually does look really cool. So we got that going for us. So it looks cool. We got that going for us. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and take this thing off of it too, and just stick it in this glass and see what happens. Because why not? I'm just gonna. Smoke the old fashioned on its own. Since it can do this as well, it looks really neat. So we got that going for us. A nice smoky cocktail glass. Let that hang out in there for a bit. All right, so it looks like this is dissipated off of this one finally. Okay, wow, that's really smoky. Holy crap. Well, it's smoked. I'll give it that. A little bit of smoke to it. Okay, now it shows in the finish. Interesting. So now it's like smoked amaretto and Coahuila. Interesting. Not bad. I like that. That's cool. Now this one, see a little smoke coming off of that. Man, I'll give it that. The smoke is definitely sitting in there. Now, from a really smoking the crap out of it, this thing should be good and smoky. I mean, that thing is, it's lit in there. All right, let's see how this one is. Ooh, it's nice. What's this with the Black Manhattan there with the Sagamore Rye and the Amaro? I think mostly just on the finish. It's interesting. I'm obviously going to play with these things because, you know, every cocktail is going to take different to smoke. Now, this puppy here is the smokiest old fashioned I think we're ever going to have. So, I mean, that sucker is smoked. All right, let's see what happens with this. Let's get it back in there. Let that sit there and we'll see if it makes a huge difference. You just stick it in there, you stick it in the barrel. It looks cool. I mean, aesthetically pleasing. It looks like fun. No, I'm sure you guys are still really digging the psychedelic lights. Probably trigger warning anyone that has problems with lights not to watch this part. Okay. Or just turn it away. We'll change it to the back to their little logo because I think it can only handle so many psychedelic lights for now. There we go. Back to the Aged Charred logo. Wow, that barrel definitely smells smoky. Get that going. All right, let's see how this old fashioned turned out. It's definitely nice and smoky. Okay, there's more smoke on that with the individual thing than there is with the cocktail thing. But then again, I don't know how long to leave it in there for. But it's good. I don't know if it's the most amazing thing in the whole wide world, but it's an interesting concept and probably cool as a gift. But I don't know if it's really $230 good, more than a decorative piece, I think. But we do thank Aged Charred for sending this over, and that is really hot, by the way. So be careful with that. Good to know. And, you know, it's one of those things. So thanks, guys, for sending this to us. And if you guys can check out the Aged Charred website and see if you like us. But, I mean, I think this part's really cool, sticking over your glass. Like I said, I don't know. I think it's obviously a personal choice on that. But, I mean, it looks fun. But I'll leave it there and let you guys decide on that. If you bought this before, let us know in the comments. And see you guys next time. Cheers. So, wow. That's awesome. Cool. So that's good for the outtakes. Ooh, makes it smoky. Well, how do you turn it off? This is awesome. Oh, there it goes. Cool.